These colors and scenes are months away. We miss them. And this is a reality. Hard reality. It's still cold. It's winter time. Please join me at the garden for a short update. The temperature reads 0 degrees, 0 to 1. It's really cold, and welcome to the garden. I'll give you a short tour on the nothingness of winter. A gardener's life. By the way, I've chosen this spring home for the chayote. That's another video, by the way. But first, I'll show you what's growing or what's sleeping here. Look, this used to be the blooms. They all died. I even forgot to remove the automatic watering system. And on the side, look, this is a flowering bush. It survived. This bushes also, they survive. And this, what's this? Conifer. It survived. These are known to be evergreens. They stay green all year round. That's why evergreen. And look, thank you, Spare. This was her gift. Housewarming gift when I moved to this place. This is camellia. I hope it blooms this year. It's on its third year, so small. What else are we going to show? Here on this side. Later, I'll show you what's inside the shed. But first this. These were the dahlias. I don't know if they survived the winter. They usually survive the winter, but my fault is I forgot to cover them. I'm hopeful. I don't think I'm hopeful they will come back. Here, nothingness again. These are perennials, meaning plants that will come back, but they're still sleeping. They're sleeping. Their tubers are alive, however, and they will shoot during springtime. The pond is no longer frozen. I don't see the fish. I think they're sleeping. They're sleeping. We've been here before, but I'll show you what's inside the what's this? The greenhouse. Woo, what a relief! It's warmer here. The temperature reads. Where's the temperature thermometer? Look, these were our ampallayas. Dry vine. No life. But this still amazes me. What is this? There's a living thing under the ground. It's excavating. I don't know what that is. And look how beautiful the sand is in Holland. Let's give a closer look. Holland. Some geological know-how. Holland, or the Netherlands, is also called the Rhine Delta. The country was formed from the silts and the sand that were flown down the Rhine River. Just look, if you dig here just 1 foot, you get this fine sand, and these sands are from the Rhine River. That's another topic, but something interesting. Let's continue our tour. Let's go out. And I'll show you more. What were they? Oh, I remember. These were the alokbati, or the Malabar spinach. Dry and dead. We'll plant again this year. Let's go inside the shed. I'll show you the developments or the happenings there. I'll show you this as well, my compost bin. What happened? Okay. Oh, look! It's warm inside, look. This even grew. What are this? Yeah, it's warm. warmer than outside. Instead of composting or instead of decomposition, the grass survived. And here, oh yeah, that's what we want. Decomposition. Now to the shed. We gathered this last week, and something, I think a rat, found shelter in there. And talking about rats, that's the next story. That's the next story because there's an infestation here. Look, first victim. First victim. And look, all here. Traces of rats, even here. Rats. Traces of rats. Traces of rats. Oh, what's that? Yeah, the rat, I'm sure. Ah! My fault. We couldn't wash this. Later. Here. This is the kitchen. Nothing. And also here. Further. Fortunately, I have doors for my cabinet, so no rats can come in. And here as well. These are not accessible to the rats. Everything here are accessible to the rats. Or mouse. I don't know the difference. Do they look the same? I think mouse. I think mouse. Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye. This is the best place, I think, to say goodbye. Thank you for joining me here at the garden as I share to you the developments, the nothingness, the rest that winter provides. Nothing to do but wait until the weather gets warmer a bit and life on this part of the world returns. I mean, for the fauna and the flora. Thank you, and until next time. See you at home as we pot the chayotes next. Thank you.